Chuchu. Wow, very nice. Wow, nawala naman tong kuan. Nawala naman tong broom. Where's the car? Where's the car, Easy? Very good. Ayun ay blower. Okay, namago siya himang joma po dire. Oh, so dire, ha? So putli lang, iko lang putol. Basta murag pagwas ganin Dora gani be. Dora nga cat ba, di ba? Uy, very nice. Wow, very nice. Oh, chuchu. 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 Very nice maganak oy. Nasa mood nasa mood ang mong bibi. Oh, pinaana miga oh, bangs ba ana. Oh, wow. Oh. Hinay lang siguro kay. Easy oh. Easy. Oh. Alaga easy. Oh, easy oh. Easy. Hi Dora. How are you? How are you, Dora? Brush the car. Brush the car. Brush the car. Hold this, like that, like that. Chut-chut, 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 chut-chut. Uptick lang gid miga. Ana, very good. Ana na kay kate Wow. Wow, chut-chut, chut-chut, chut-chut. I-bounce lang sa taman siguro dire miga, dire. Neck level ba ha? Oh. Pero easy oh, easy. 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 Easy oh. Wow. Hold this. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Yeah, very nice. Oh, chut-chut. 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 Pero lingi diretso na ka. Chut-chut. Wow. Easy. Oh. Dora. Hi, Easy. How are you? Clap hands, everybody. Clap hands, everybody. Clap hands. Yay. Very nice. Very nice. Nice man ang mangga. Uy. Nice ang mangga. Wow. Easy, oh. Easy. Si Pipip. Sabi nila sa'yo, para malingaw siya. Kaya. Oops. Easy. Wow-wee. Wow-wee. Agwe. Nara ko nak. Dire ko. Easy. Dire ko. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Among easy. 1, 2, 3. Malingaw gid si mami ni mo ani nak. Oops. Malingaw gid si mami ni mo ani. Siya pangalan ni mo ate? An? Ala. Pup.
Very good baby, oh. Wow. Okay. Very good. Good girl.
Nala tadi. Hi, Izzy. Beep. Oh. Nala Izzy. Izzy, hapit naman. Pwede pa ako magpalot, ate? Ako sunod. Tama mo, 9 or 8? 9? Sige. So, pwede pa ako, no? Mura-mura. Okay. Beep, beep. Easy, oh. Easy. Wow. Anak. Ah. Wow. 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 Wee. Wow. Wow. Wee. Chicken. Later na, later na, later. Wow. Wow. Later. Ano sa?